guys, so I ordered some jewelry from someone on YouTube that opens her jewelry lots. They're on YouTube, and you can see the jewelry that she opens, and if it's something that you want, you just say, you put in the timestamp, and then you buy it from her, and she sells it really cheap, very low cost, instead of selling it on Mercari and Poshmark like I do. So I checked out her channel, and as I checked out other channels, and I bought a few items, and that is what I'm unboxing right now. So the first item you see here are angel earrings, and these are actually Avon. I'm not positive. I know the whole box was $21, which included shipping. I think these individually are like $2. So whenever you order from her, it's a $5 shipping charge. So I think these were $2 Avon earrings. Now let's see what this is here. Okay, so we can see there's two bracelets wrapped up together here. And I do have a Presidium machine, so I'm going to go ahead and check these out in a few minutes and see, if anyone is a real stone, glass, or what it is. But that's very pretty, the green there. And this definitely looks like a turquoise. I'm not sure about the other stone that's with it. But at the end, when I get all the items unboxed, I'll check it out. So this one I remember, I think I paid $8 because I just thought it was really pretty. And I do want to mention that she didn't say anything about smoking, and everything really smells of smoke. So that's just something to keep in mind if you're really bothered by smoke, because sometimes there's certain things that you purchase that have a smoke smell on them and you can't get the smell out. I should be able to get the smell out, and I should be able to resell these things because I do not wear jewelry. I don't keep them for myself. But I don't know anything about this necklace. I just thought it was really pretty, so I'm going to clean it up, and I'll do a little bit of research and see what it's worth. I also want to mention that there were some items that I time-stamped that I did not receive, and she had no memory of, of me requesting these items. So I felt like there might be some favoritism. So even if you get there first and there's something that you like, you might not receive it. So I just wanted to add that comment as well. All right, so I want to do a quick test on the stones on this bracelet. Looks like a turquoise, and I don't know what the red stone would be. I do have the Presidium to tester. So let's see what the red stone comes up. It says tanzanite. All right, so for the turquoise, I'm just going to take a little bit of acetone. And if you rub it onto the turquoise, if it does not come off blue, you have a turquoise that comes off blue, you know you have some sort of a fake. Okay, so tanzanite and turquoise bracelet. So let's move on and check out the green one and see if this is glass or what it is. Okay, so this dark side is coming up glass. The light colored side is not moving at all. That's odd, huh? So it looks like it's part glass. It's in very good condition. Nice stretchy green pretty bracelet. All right, so let me go ahead and test this one. This is coming up glass. I do want to test the gold pieces on here as well. I have a new scratch tester, so let me go ahead and do that. Okay, so this was from the gold bead on the necklace with the 10 carat. And as you can see, it's fully dissolved, I believe. So I'm going to say it's not gold. I'll have to look into it further, but I'm thinking if it, even if it left a little bit, that it might just be gold plated. But anyway, we know this is not gold. So anyways, these are the items that I received for the $21, included the $5 shipping. I don't want to deter anyone from going to her channel because she does open a nice variety of auction jewelry. You might find a fabulous piece that you like and for a great price. So I'll put a link to her channel below, and I'll go ahead and wash these up and put them up for sale on Mercari and Poshmark. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next.